Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to enable sensitive content settings on Telegram. So let's get right into the video. Telegram doesn't allow you to allow sensitive content on your app or phone app, Android app, but Telegram does allow this on web. So you must log in into your website of your Telegram account and then head over to settings, and if you scroll down you'll see an option privacy and security, and then scroll down until you see an option sensitive content, and you just have to check it mark, and then they will not hide that media that contains this type of sensitive content or 18+ content that is only suitable for adults. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.